Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I decided to do a dog design for you. I actually chose to do a pug because I own a pug and have owned pugs for years. And the base coat that I chose for the pug is this tan, and then I use black stamping polish for the design. And the rest of the nails I chose this light baby blue and the brown stamping polish, because when you let your dog out to use the bathroom, they always come back in with dirty paws or muddy paws. And here's the first stamping plate that I used. Little paws there. And I actually used this Love, and I gave him a little bow tie because he doesn't mind when I put small things on his collar or around his neck. I don't usually keep a collar on him. He has a harness, but he doesn't mind little things around his neck. And here is the second stamping plate that I used. It's L016. This is a really cute little plate for dogs because there's so many to pick from. And here's the pugs right over here. And here is the completed design for you today. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I love my pugs, my pug dogs. Well, I hope this gave you some ideas for your nails. And like I said, you can switch out the dog for whatever dog's in your family. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.